Look, first you open Cody's, and Cody, then you open Davis's.
Or
I'll open mine.
Ready,
first.
go.
Go!
Tinker Toys! Yay! Open it.
I love Tinker
That
Toys.
took 4.5 seconds.
Wait a minute, I want you to get my picture with the boys so you can send it to
Hold
G.
on. What's in here?
Oh dear. Oh dear.
Are they really Tinker Toys?
Underwear.
Yes, they are. But they're our old Tinker Toys.
They're your old ones?
What did you do? Put them in there to throw them off or something?
Yeah. Gosh, Dave.
Pretty funny. How much tape did you use?
Paper.
A lot.
Just think,
2 layers of paper. Plus this.
did you wrap it?
Yes.
That's pretty funny,
And I
Cody.
think I used got pads. I need these. Open it up. There's a lot.
Okay, we've
The
got.
art of deception.
That is totally awesome.
Nothing.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. A pocket knife!
Oh my
A
gosh.
Swiss Army knife, Davis.
Be careful. Do.
Oh, don't worry. I practiced. He's got the whittle.
Does it have a scissor? Does it have a scissor, Cody? It has 5 things in it, right?
Yes.
Here's a nail file.
It has.
Pretty small, huh? This is a big blade, isn't it?
Yeah, it is small.
Well, it's
Yes.
a Cub Scout knife, so it's
No, it's a
Swiss Army.
Swiss Army knife.
really
A mini Swiss Army knife.
excellent.